In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and fix the PlayStation 5 error code WS-116449-5. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But in this guide specifically, we're going over the PlayStation 5 error WS-116449-5. The first thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually get on your PlayStation and go to the settings from the home menu up at the very top. Select it just like so, and then find the network tab and select that as well, and then choose connection status. Go ahead and find this view PlayStation network status just like so, and if you see yellow or red instead of green check marks, that means the service is currently under maintenance and you're going to go ahead and have to wait until everything is green. If everything is green though, go ahead and go back to the network settings section and set up a high speed internet connection by clicking set up network connection just like so. In my case, I'd have to go ahead and hit view connection status and test internet connection. In my case, I'd have to go to settings and then hit this setup internet connection right here. This is going to highlight your current internet connection just like so. Go ahead and press the options button here, and then you're going to see the option to forget this network. Go ahead and select that and then reconnect to your internet. From here, go back to connection status, and then what you're going to want to do is actually test your internet connection again to confirm to see if it is working. If it is still not working, you're going to want to turn off your modem and or router for at least 5 minutes and then turn them back on and then check to see if your error is gone. If you are still getting the error though, the network just might be congested or undergoing maintenance, so give it some time and try again later. But overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.